Supervised Learning in Machine Learning, a complete guide. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that deals with the development of algorithms and models that can learn from data. It has been revolutionizing various industries such as healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. One of the most common types of machine learning is supervised learning. In this video, we will discuss what is supervised learning, how it works, and some of its applications. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning that involves the training of a model using labeled data. Labeled data means that the data is already tagged with the correct output. The goal of supervised learning is to find a model that can generalize to new, unseen data by learning from the labeled data provided during training. How supervised learning works? Supervised learning algorithms work by using a training dataset to learn the relationship between input features and output values. The algorithm uses this relationship to make predictions on new, unseen data. The training process involves finding the best parameters for the model, such as the weights and biases, to minimize the difference between the predicted output and the actual output. Steps in supervised learning process. Data collection. The first step in supervised learning is to collect a dataset that contains labeled data. This dataset should be representative of the problem you are trying to solve. Data preprocessing. Once you have collected the data, the next step is to preprocess it. This involves cleaning the data, removing outliers, handling missing values, and scaling the data if necessary. Feature engineering. Feature engineering is the process of selecting and extracting the most relevant features from the dataset. This is an important step as it can significantly impact the performance of the model. Model selection. There are various supervised learning algorithms that you can use to train your model, such as linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and neural networks. The choice of algorithm depends on the type of problem you are trying to solve. Training. Once you have selected the model, the next step is to train it using the labeled data. The training process involves finding the best parameters for the model by minimizing the difference between the predicted output and the actual output. Evaluation. Once the model is trained, the next step is to evaluate its performance on a test dataset. This will give you an idea of how well the model generalizes to new, unseen data. Prediction. Once the model is trained and evaluated, it can be used to make predictions on new, unseen data. Applications of supervised learning. Image classification. Image classification is the process of categorizing images into different classes based on their features. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for image classification tasks. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the process of analyzing the sentiment of a piece of text, such as a review or a social media post. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for sentiment analysis tasks. Fraud detection. Fraud detection is the process of identifying fraudulent transactions or activities. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for fraud detection tasks. Stock price prediction. Stock price prediction is the process of predicting the future prices of stocks. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for stock price prediction. Customer churn prediction. Customer churn prediction is the process of predicting which customers are likely to leave a business. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for customer churn prediction tasks. Credit risk assessment. Credit risk assessment is the process of assessing the risk of lending money to a borrower. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for credit risk assessment tasks. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is the process of transcribing spoken words into text. Supervised learning algorithms can be used to train models for speech recognition tasks. Advantages of supervised learning. Predictive accuracy. Supervised learning algorithms can be very accurate in predicting output values on new, unseen data, especially when the model is trained on a large dataset. Interpretable models. Supervised learning algorithms can produce models that are easy to interpret, which can be important for some applications. Flexibility. Supervised learning algorithms can be applied to a wide range of problems, such as classification, regression, and prediction. Disadvantages of supervised learning. Need for labeled data. Supervised learning algorithms require labeled data, which can be time-consuming and expensive to obtain. Overfitting. Supervised learning models can sometimes overfit the training data, which means that they perform well on the training data but poorly on new, unseen data. Bias. Supervised learning models can be biased towards the data they were trained on, which can lead to inaccurate predictions on new, unseen data. Supervised learning is a powerful type of machine learning that involves training a model using labeled data. It has a wide range of applications in various industries and can be used to solve a wide range of problems, such as image classification, sentiment analysis, and fraud detection. However, supervised learning also has some disadvantages, such as the need for labeled data and the risk of overfitting. It is important to carefully select the appropriate algorithm and pre-process the data before training a supervised learning model. Please like and subscribe to the Knowledge Hub channel for more informative videos.